In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your secret key in 1Password. Whether you're setting up a new device or just need to reference your secret key for another purpose, this guide will walk you through the simple process of locating it within your 1Password account. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to ensure that you're already logged into your 1Password account. Once you're securely logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your name displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This option will take you to a more detailed account settings page where all the important information related to your 1Password account is stored. It's in this section that you can find a variety of details concerning your account settings, security options, and preferences. Once you're on the Manage Account page, you'll see an area specifically related to your secret key. The secret key is a vital part of your account's security, serving as an additional layer of protection. It's used in combination with your master password to unlock your 1Password vault on devices you trust. So knowing how to locate it can be particularly useful if you need to set it up again on a new device or update your records. On this page, you should see the secret key displayed. Here, you're provided with a couple of options. You can either choose to copy the secret key directly, which is a convenient choice if you're planning to paste it somewhere immediately after, or you can opt to show it on your screen. Keep in mind, when opting to display it, make sure you're in a secure environment to prevent others from seeing or recording it, as this is a sensitive piece of information. It's really as simple as that. Don't forget that keeping your secret key secure is crucial, so avoid displaying it unnecessarily and always ensure you're in a private setting when accessing this type of information. If you need to reference this video again for these steps, feel free to watch it anytime. Being able to effortlessly locate your secret key in 1Password is a small yet significant way to maintain the security and functionality of your digital life. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in finding and understanding the importance of your 1Password secret key. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and organized.